This is the UPS9002 pneumatic paint shaker with full safety box enclosure. Let's take a look at how to set up the machine before we look at how to operate it. The UPS9002 is a strong steel robust paint shaker enclosure with a paint shaker found inside. The paint shaker can be positioned on a strong, stable work surface using the fixing bolts supplied. If you have chosen the optional table, the paint shaker enclosure will already be mounted to this table. You must then secure the table with bolts to the floor to ensure the security of the work surface. Once you've got the paint shaker box and the shaker in your desired location and the work surface is fully secure, there is an earthing wire on the back of the machine to earth this point to ground. Once this is all in position, we'll then look at connecting up the air supply. The paint shaker is supplied with an inline air tool oil lubricator. This must be connected to the air inlet here. Fill the air tool lubricator with rust inhibitor lubricant all the way up in the basin here. Set the drip rate by monitoring the drips in the top here to approximately 3 drips per minute. Connect your air ball valve to the outside of the air lubricator, then connect your desired air fitting and your air line to this. Once this is all set up and your drip rate is set up, we're now ready to look at operating the paint shaker. Let's take a look at how to operate the UPS9002 paint shaker. The UPS9002 pneumatic paint shaker will accommodate paint cans up to 5 litres in size. It will also accommodate square tins as well. Take your desired paint can that you wish to shake, position this in the brackets. Ensure that the handle, if there is one on your paint can, is positioned at the top. Tighten down the brackets so that the paint can is fully secure inside the bracket. Do not over tighten the paint can so that it crushes the paint can. Once tightened and secure, if after the last cycle of running the shaker finishes in the central position like this, cock the shaker to one side. This ensures efficient starting procedures. Once this is clamped in place, simply close the lid, attaching the safety catches on both sides, and switch the paint shaker on the valve on the side. Switch off the shaker when the paint has been shaken for your desired amount of time. If you've taken the optional pneumatic timer, this will finish automatically or by the desired time that you've set. Once finished, open the box. Loosen the bracket and remove your paint can. It is now ready to be used. Let's take a look at maintenance for the system. Always check there is enough air tool oil inside the inline lubricator. Do not let this run dry. Make sure the drip rate is set to a constant 3 drips per minute. Once every 3 months, we recommend that it's greased inside here to grease the crankshaft. We recommend a multi-purpose calcium or lithium based chassis grease in here. Ensure that's done once every 3 months. If any paint is spilt inside the shaker enclosure or over the shaking mechanism itself, ensure that is thoroughly cleaned. Keep this work area free from paint contamination, clean and tidy. This is the UPS9002 pneumatic paint shaker with safety enclosure. If you'd like any further information, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.